Hello everyone, this video is intended to show you how to use Picmonkey.com to complete your recent assignment on creating your own book cover. So I've typed in Picmonkey.com in there, and make sure you've got your little orange monkey here. You're on the right site. Create your own account if you don't already have one. It does help you save your work, and you're able to work on it later and edit it. It's a good thing to have. So once you're signed in, click Edit a Pic. Okay, so here we have the picture that's provided by Picmonkey. This is called a template. They have a lot of these templates, but I'd like you to bring in your own pictures for creativity and really express your own ideas here. So up to the top left, we've got a little image icon and open. This is where you import your pictures. You can get it from your computer, anything that's on your hard drive, your My Hub, which is anything that you have saved onto this website, your Facebook, and those templates I was telling you about. So I'm going to pull from my computer because I have a picture in mind that I'd like to use. So here's my son. So let's start editing. Over to the left are all of our edits. The first tab is Basic Edits. This is really just cropping, rotating, changing color, exposure, sharpening your image, whatever you got to do. You can click Auto Adjust. I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to rotate this. Don't forget to hit Apply. Make sure that it actually saves your work. I'm going to crop it as well because I'd like it to look a little bit more like a book cover in shape. Hit Apply. Mess around with these things. They can really change the fundamentals of your photo. And going down, we have effects. These are, if you've ever been on Instagram, these are kind of like filters or any other picture editing site. There are a lot of really cool things to check out here. They can really change up your image, so check those out as well. Really cool stuff. So then you come down, touch up. This is if you have a face or people in your image, you can really do a lot here. You can touch up any blemishes, any red eye, any yellow teeth. You can even add makeup and a beard if you wanted. So you can really change up the look of characters, which is really good for our project that we're working on. Next up is the text box, which is also important because I want you to be able to put your book title and your author name. So you click Add Text. This is your little text box. I'm going to put book, title, okay, and then I'm going to change it to white so you can see it a little bit better. So there's that. You can make it bigger, smaller, bold. You can really change a lot of stuff to make sure that it looks exactly how you want it to. Over to the left, there are hundreds of really cool fonts. I'd love you to check them out. Get one that really suits you. Okay, moving down, we've got this little butterfly. These are overlays. They are basically like emoji stickers. So if you look through, you can add in really anything. So if I want to add in baby carriage, there it is. So anything like that. I'm going to delete that because it doesn't go with my theme, but you get my point. You can check out all of these cool things. Hearts and stars, arrows, facial hair, sunglasses, a lot of cool stuff. Next down we have our frames. Pretty self-explanatory. If you want to frame, you've got a couple options there. And we've got our textures. This is basically like combining two pictures together to create a really cool effect. You can bring in your own second picture, or you can choose one of theirs. So let's say I wanted to add some water to my photo. I click on water. And I like this one, but it doesn't look all that great. It's a little dark on my book title picture. So what I'm going to do is go to blend mode and change the mode that the two photos are blending in. So you can change and check out how the different effects interact in that sense. And I'm going to click screen. I like the way it looks. And you can change the intensity of the picture. So I want like a little half and half there. I like that. And so you can do a lot of different stuff with that. It's pretty cool. It can really change up your image. And last but not least, we have our themes. So this is basically like all of these little tabs bunched up together and split up and divided into different themes. So if you wanted a school, you've got different effects, overlays, text, textures, and frames that apply to education and that kind of theme. So make sure to check those out because you have a lot of options, and if any of them correspond to your ideas you're trying to express, they can be really useful tools. This layer box right here shows you everything that you've done to your picture so far. So you can see I've added book title, and I've also added a background. So check out that too so you know what you're doing to your photo. Once you're done, please hit save Make sure to share it with me. If I can be of any more assistance to you, please let me know. Send me an email. I'd love to help and have fun.